Chapter 10 revision. Anji. WWW stands for
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web. World Wide Web. HTML5 was introduced in year of HTML5.
2011.
January 8, 2011.
That is January 18, 2011. So learn it side by side. Learn the answers side by side. World Wide Web and the year of HTML5, January 18, 2011. Next, HTML stands for
Hypertext markup
Hypertext
language.
markup language.
Hypertext Markup Language. Everyone on your videos. Hurry up, switch on the cameras. HTML stands for
Hypertext Markup
Hypertext markup language.
year of HTML development, that is 1989. In which year the HTML was developed? In the year 1989. Who invented the language HTML?
Tim Berners.
HTML.
Berners-Lee.
That is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Extension of HTML document.
HTML.
Extension of HTML document is .htm or
.html.
.htm or .html. Clear? So once again, what is the full form of WWW?
World Wide Web.
HTML,
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext Markup Language. The year of HTML development?
1989.
Person who invented the HTML?
Tim
Tim
Berners-Lee.
Tim
Berners-Lee.
Berners-Lee. The extension of HTML document?
HTML.
.html.
.htm or .html. The year in which the HTML5 was developed?
January 18, 2011.
January 18, 2011. What is the full form of SGML?
Standard Generalized Markup Language.
Generalized Markup Language. Standard Generalized Markup Language. Now look at the spellings of generalized carefully. It's ZED. It's not SED. Okay. Standard Generalized Markup Language. Standard Generalized Markup Language. Full form of GML. General Markup Language. GML stands for General Markup Language. What is the full form of ISO? International Organization for Standardization. International Organization for Standardization. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. What is W3C? W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. It's World Wide Web Consortium. W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. WWW was founded by
Tim Berners-Lee.
founded by Tim Berners-Lee. What is the use of HTML language?
It is used to make graphics.
Web.
Graphics. Graphics बनाते हैं हम इससे.
It
What
is
is
used to make web pages.
Used to
design web pages.
HTML is a web designing language used to create web pages. HTML is a web designing language used to create web contents for the internet. It is used to create web pages. Okay. The meaning is clear. Now next, what is markup? What is markup? What do you understand by the term markup? It is the highlighting text either by underlining or displaying in some different color. Underlined and in different color. Next, what is a tag? What is a tag?
Tag is a browser which tells how to display
is a
and what to
browser?
display.
Kashish, what answers you are giving, bachche? Tag is a browser.
Tag is a piece of code that the browser interprets.
Tag is a piece. आप कैसे कह रहे हो टैग ब्राउजर है? ब्राउजर क्या होता है? गूगल क्रोम, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. टैग क्या होता है? HTML हेड. तो HTML हेड गूगल क्रोम कैसे बन गया? Tag is a code which your browser interprets, which your browser understands. Tag क्या है? कोडिंग लैंग्वेज, एक कोड है जो आप लैंग्वेज में, एक HTML लैंग्वेज में यूज कर रहे हो. Okay, so it is a piece of code that your web browser interprets. The meaning is clear. Define attribute. Define attribute. Attribute is a additional word used inside the tag that tells the behavior of the tag. जो tag का behavior depict करता है, with the help of which we use to provide additional information regarding to a tag. Okay, how many tags are there?
There are
two
types of
empty
tags, container and empty.
Container tags and empty tags. Container tags and empty tags. What is the other name of container tag?
Pair tag.
Paired tag.
Container tags are known as paired tags. What are container tags?
Container tags are tags which have both opening and closing tag.
Which are having both opening as well as closing tag. Container tags are the tags which are having opening tag as well as closing tag. Okay. What are empty tags?
Which only have opening
Empty
tag.
tags which only take
Which only have opening tag, no closing tag is there. Okay. And what is the other name of empty tags? These are
Void
called
tag.
void tags. These are called void tags. Examples of container tag. What are the examples of container
HTML,
tag?
head, body,
HTML.
title, head, body, title,
Body, title, B, U, I, font, center. और कौन कौन से हमने कंटेनर टैग्स यूज करे हैं? P टैग, हेडिंग टैग, टेबल टैग, मार्क्यू टैग, TR, TD, TH, A टैग. कल हमने यूज किया था ना A एंकर टैग. So all these are the examples of container tags. All right. Next, examples of empty tag. What are the
Image,
examples of
HR.
HRBR image link.
HR, IMG, or
Link.
link. So these are the empty tags. Clear? Any doubt in these questions? यहाँ तक सबको लर्न हो गए हैं? Empty tags are the tags which are having only opening tag but no closing tag is there. The examples are HR, image, BR and link. Container tags are the tags which are having both opening as well as closing tags. Anji Agam?
MySO की फुल फॉर्म बता दो दोबारा. MySO की फुल फॉर्म दोबारा बता दो.
ISO International. Write down.
Yes.
International Organization for Standardization. International Organization for Standardization. Done. Now next, name the structural tags. Name the structural tags. कौन सी structural tags हैं?
Head, title,
HTML.
body, HTML.
Head, title, body. The structural tags are HTML, head, title, and body. If the question is name the tags that are used to form the structure of the HTML document, तो भी answer लिखेंगे. Tags that are used to form the structure of HTML document. Name the tags that are used to form structure of HTML document. So HTML head, title, and body. Name various formatting tags. Name various formatting tags. P tag, font tag, center, B, I, U. कोई भी heading tag बना लो. So all these are the formatting tags. Okay. Next, write the structure of HTML document. Write the structure of HTML document. Do I need to write this? Structure आता है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ structure में सबसे पहले HTML, then
Head,
head,
Head.
then
Title.
title,
the title of web page, then title tag, close. Then you have to close the
head tag,
and then open body tag.
word,
Inside the body, content of web
content
page,
of web page,
then
page.
close the body tag, and last close the HTML. So this way, in separate lines, you have to write the structure of the HTML document. Okay. Which tag is used to give title of the web page? Name the tag that is used to give title of the web page. Title tag.
title tag,
Which tag marks the beginning and ending of the HTML document?
HTML.
HTML,
Tag
HTML.
that displays the content of the web page.
Body tag.
body tag,
Tag.
Tag which is used to give the header information.
Head tag.
head tag,
Name the tag that contains the text of the web page. That
Body tag.
body tag. Clear? How to close the tag?
Forward slash.
By putting a forward slash in front of the tag name. By putting a forward slash in front of tag name. For example, you are closing it like this. Okay, clear? Any doubt till now?
Yes.
What is the command for saving the HTML document? File menu, save option. Command for saving the HTML document. What is the command for saving HTML document? File menu, save option. File menu, save option. कमांड फॉर ओपनिंग द HTML डॉक्यूमेंट. ओके, ये तो कमांड हो गया, लेकिन दूसरा मेथड क्या है? शॉर्टकट की कंट्रोल प्लस S. The two methods for saving the document are file menu, save option, and control plus S is the shortcut key by which you can save the HTML document. Right? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
How to open Notepad? How to open Notepad? Start. All programs. Accessories. Then Notepad. How to open the Notepad? The command is start, all programs, accessories, Notepad. So is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How to open the document? File menu, open option. File menu, open option. Right? Now write the full forms for the following tag. Full forms. B. B stands for
Bold.
Bold.
I stands for
Italic.
Italic.
U
Italic.
stands for
Underline.
Underline.
underline. P stands for
Paragraph.
Paragraph.
paragraph. BR stands for
Line.
Line.
Line break.
HR stands for
Horizontal line.
horizontal rule. Horizontal rule. HTML, SGML, GML, ISO, WWW, ये सारी फुल फॉर्म्स हमने कर ली है. नेक्स्ट फुल फॉर्म XML, एक्सटेंसिबल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. Extensible markup language. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the two sections of HTML document. Name the
Head
two
section,
sections
body
of
section.
HTML document. Head section, body section. कौन से दो sections हैं? Head section and body section. How many heading tags are there?
6.
There are 6 heading tags. Highest heading tag,
H1.
highest heading tag is H1. Now mind one thing, whenever you have to write a tag, it is always compulsory to write in an angular bracket. If you will not write inside the angular bracket, even though you have written the correct answer H1, लेकिन उसको angular bracket में नहीं डाला, no marks to be given. Okay. So there are total 6 heading tags in the HTML. The highest heading tag is H1. The lowest heading tag is
H6.
lowest heading tag H6. Okay, heading is a container or empty tag?
Container.
Container tag. What is the attribute of heading tag?
Align.
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 Align. Okay. What is the use of heading tag?
To adjust the size.
It is used to display the text in some particular heading. Used to display the different heading levels in the HTML document. Used to display the text in different heading levels in HTML. Or you can simply write this tag is used to define different heading levels in the HTML document. So it will define different heading levels. Okay. What is the use of p tag?
It displays text in a new paragraph.
It is used to display the text in a paragraph form. Okay. The attribute of p tag?
Align.
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 What is the use of center tag?
It displays text in center alignment.
Text in center.
It's not center alignment. Center tag is used to display the text in the center of the web page. पूरे के पूरे web page में center पे text को display करता है. Used to display the text in the center of the web page. Center tag is used to display the text in the center of web page. What is the use of B tag?
It displays text in bold.
Used to display the text in the bold form, or it is used to emphasize the text. Next, what is the use of I tag? It will display the text in the form of italics. What is the use of U tag?
It displays text in underlined form.
Display the text in the underline. Okay, next, what is the use of HR? Used to draw a horizontal line across the web page. It is used to draw a horizontal line across the web page. Clear? Next, what is the use of body tag?
It displays the contents of web page.
Used to display the content of web page. Use of title tag, use of head tag, use of body tag. HTML tag. हो जाएगा? Used to provide header information. HTML tag marks the beginning or ending of a HTML document. Next, what is the use of font tag? What is the use of font tag?
It is used to change the size, color, and font style of text.
Right. So font tag is used to change the color, size, and style of a font. It is used to change the color, size, and style of a font. Name the font style tags. Name the font style tags.
Font
कौन
tag.
कौन से हैं? Bold, italic, and underline. The font style tags are bold, italic, and underline. So ये तीनों tags किसके अंदर categorize हो रहे हैं? Font style tags. Okay? Clear? Now, what is the use of size attribute in font tag? What is the use of size attribute in font tag?
Changes the size of the text.
It is used to display, or it is used to change the size of the text locally. Okay, it is used to change the size of a text. Color attribute used to change the color of the text. Style attribute or face attribute used to change the style of the text. तो face से क्या होता है? Style of font change होगा. Color से used to change the color of the font. Right? Next, what is the use of BG color?
It is used to set the background color of the web page.
The use of BG color attribute used to set the background color for the web page. Left margin used to set the left margin of web page. It is used to set the left margin of web page. Top margin used to set the margin from the top side, or it is used to set the top margin of a web page. Now, so many students I have checked while checking the notebook. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है that left margin और top margin में they are giving the space. Space तो आती नहीं है. Earlier also I told you it is a one word only. It is, these are not two separate words. Left अलग है, margin अलग है. No. It is a one word. Okay. Now let's discuss the attributes for various tags. हाँ जी, any attribute of bold, italic और underline? कोई attribute होता है उसका?
No, ma'am.
Attributes of body tag?
BG color.
color and text
BG
left.
color, text, background, left margin, top margin. Attribute of P tag?
Align.
Align. And attribute of heading tag also. कोई भी heading tag है H1 से लेके H6 तक, they are having only one attribute, that is align. The values of the align can be left, right, center. The default alignment is left. Paragraph को आप justify alignment भी कर सकते हैं. In case of P, the values of align will be left, right, center or justified. In case of H1, the values of align are left, right or center. Okay. Next, font. The attributes of font tag are color,
Size, color,
Face.
face.
and size. Right. Next, और कौन सा रह गया हमारे पास? HR tag. Attributes of HR tag: color, width, no shade, size, align. These are the attributes of HR tag: color, width, no shade, size, and align. Is it clear? Next, let's do some of the coding questions. Write the HTML code to display your school name in red color, in level 2 heading and underlined. So what will be the answer? What code you are going to write here? Yes, tell me. क्या आएगा? You have to display in red color. For displaying in red color, which tag is to be used? Font.
Font.
The font color equal to red. Okay. What else it's given? H2. Okay. Along with that, underline. Then your school name. Then in which order you will be closing the tag? In the reverse order. So close the U tag first, close the H2 tag, and then close the font tag. Clear hai how to write the codes? Okay. Next, write the HTML code to draw a horizontal line of color green and thickness 2. क्या कोड लगाओगे आप?
HR color is equal to green.
HR color equal to green. Yes. Thickness means size. Thickness क्या होती है? Size. और लेंथ क्या होती है? Width. अगर आपसे लेंथ पूछा जाए तो लेंथ का एट्रीब्यूट कौन सा है? Width. Okay. Next, write the HTML code to set background color of the page as maroon and display the text hello in pink color. एंड पिंक कलर में हो, H1 में हो, सेंटर हो, इटैलिक हो. तो क्या कोडिंग लगाएंगे हम? सबसे पहले
BG color
राइट बॉडी बीजी कलर मैरून कलर आप यहीं पे भी सेट कर सकते हो. टेक्स्ट एज पिंक और यू कैन यूज द फॉन्ट टैग आल्सो. बोथ द मेथड्स आर करेक्ट. चाहे फॉन्ट टैग से कलर सेट कर दो, चाहे टेक्स्ट के अंदर यहाँ पे सेट कर दो, क्योंकि हम बॉडी टैग तो ओपन कर ही रहे हैं. नहीं करना होता तो फिर हम फॉन्ट से भी कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट H1 बोला गया है, इट शुड बी सेंटर अलाइन. तो H1 अलाइन इक्वल टू सेंटर. ओके. व्हाट टू बी डिस्प्ले? देन आई टैग. देन आपको क्या डिस्प्ले करना है? Hello. So close the I tag, then close the H1 tag, and then last body tag. Clear how to write the codings? Any doubt? Is it clear, bachche? So revise the test thoroughly, okay? And you have to attempt, everyone has to attempt the test.